This threatens to win a knight through a fork. This stops the opponent from being able to win a knight through a fork. This overlooks an opportunity to prepare a bishop for development. This is not the right idea. This prepares the bishop for development. This threatens to force an isolated pawn. This attacks a queen, winning a tempo when it moves away. This blocks the attack on a queen that could have been captured. This is the only good move. This forces the opponent to double pawns. Takes back. That's fine. This move puts the knight on a safer square. The bishop is ready to be developed to an active square. That pawn was free for the taking. With the bishop now developed as well, white has all pieces ready for action. This misses an opportunity to offer an equal trade of pieces. This overlooks an opportunity to kick a rook. The game was close to balanced, but now black is worse. The rook is kicked by a pawn and must now move or be captured. This overlooks an opportunity to force a weak isolated pawn. There were worse moves, but also something much better. This threatens to win material by pinning a piece to the king. This prevents the opponent from being able to win material by pinning a piece to the king. Black was worse off, but now they are in a losing position. This creates luft for the king, providing it an escape square. This wins a tempo by threatening a rook and forcing it to move away. This connects the rooks, which helps them work together. A very strong play. The knight is kicked by a pawn and must now move or be captured. This moves the knight to safety. This is the strongest option. That was a free pawn. Very precise. A solid choice. This offers an equal trade of pieces. This moves the rook to safety. Right on target. This is the strongest option. One of the best moves. Very precise. That was a free rook. The bishop finds a new active square. This defends the attacked pawn. This defends the attacked bishop. The piece finds a new active square. This defends a pawn that was under attack and had no defenders. A very strong play. This creates a pawn chain, linked pawns that form a strong structure. This makes a passed pawn. This threatens to win material through a fork. This prevents the opponent from being able to win material through a fork. Black's knight has moved to a square with greater activity and control. This wins a tempo by threatening a queen and forcing it to move away. This move puts the queen on a safer square. Right on target. A solid choice. This protects an underdefended pawn that is under attack. With the bishop now developed as well, black has all pieces ready for action. This defends the attacked pawn. This defends a pawn that was under attack and had no defenders. This blocks the attack on a pawn that could have been captured. This creates a pawn chain, linked pawns that form a strong structure. The rook was sacrificed, a stunning move. This blocks the check from an opposing rook. This move puts the rook on a safer square.